Hello again everyone, how are you all? Hope you're all well. I've been playing some absolute stinkers lately of racing games for the Spectrum, so I thought why not try something a bit different, and this is a homebrew racing game based on, very closely based on, F-Zero or the Super Nintendo. This is definitely a Super Nintendo F-Zero clone. Although it's called Space Race for, copyright reasons. We don't want to be sued by Nintendo, do we? So, yeah, this game is a homebrew game. I think, is it 2001 this came out? And is a download you can do. If I can remember to put the link in, I will put the link in the description below so you can download it and give it a try yourself. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the menus, talk, and then I'm just going to show you some clips of the race, and then at the end we're going to do final thoughts of what I actually think of it. Because if you're just going to watch me do the full races, it may get a little bit tedious, a bit boring. So yes, let's start our controls. We need two, because I haven't actually found a way that you can use a joystick yet. So, oh, I pressed the wrong buttons there. Hang on, let's start again. Messed it up already. Two, so up, down, left, right, fire, pause. Right, and we have different settings as well. So you've got easy and hard and nightmare. Maybe I'll try nightmare right at the end. We'll see. I'm sticking on easy though. I'm sticking on easy. And want to start. Lovely menu here, really is, for selecting your vehicles and everything. I think that just looks really good on the Spectrum. All of these, I do think this is not a full complete game yet, if they're going to do a full game at all. I may be wrong, I really don't know. But yeah, all these cars here are playable, and I'm obviously going to go with this one. I will talk first, and then I'm going to go to the gameplay and cut to a couple of different races. First of all, love the cockpit. Love the art style of this and everything. It's just really nice. When you steer as well, it can get a little bit confusing of where the track is, but you do get arrows and you do get boosts on the floor. Definitely pay attention to them because they will help you. So, here we go. So, I mean about the arrows. And it does very much feel like an F-Zero game, because when I first played this, I kept bouncing off every single wall, and after, 5 minutes, I figured it out. I learnt the track, and it really does help if you know the track and where, like that, the obstacles are. But yeah, I can see how to someone just looking at this going, oh, that's not F-Zero, that looks really difficult to play. But as you can see here, me hitting, right on cue, hitting the same bloody obstacle I always do. Always hit that one. But yeah, it's very, very playable. So I'm going to do a little bit more gameplay of this one, and then I will cut to the next level, if I get that far. So here we are, level 2. The music changed. Obviously the track is different, and I have not actually completed this track yet. So yeah, let's see how we get on. And here we are at a level I have never got to before, so let's see how well this goes. How the hell I managed to get past the last level, I'll never know. But here we are, another level down. Let's do this. Oh, I'm confused. I'm confused now. I'm really confused. Right, so that's a quick look at F-Zero on the Spectrum. Actually, space racing on the Spectrum. You know, copyright, can't do that. What do I think about it? As far as racing games go, it's actually really fun. It really is. Is it as good as F-Zero on the Super Nintendo? Of course not. But as an F-Zero game on the Spectrum, I never thought I'd ever see the day someone would even attempt to make this, let alone do such a good job that it properly feels like F-Zero. You have to learn the courses. That's it. Without learning the courses, you're going to crash. You're going to hit all the obstacles. Your energy is going to go down. There is a little boost section, so you can build your health back up again. You've got your boost as well. You get one per lap, which you use strategically. Everything is there. And if someone told me, you know, even like a couple of years ago that, you know, you can play F-Zero on the Spectrum, would not have believed you. Wouldn't think it's possible. Is it a little bit confusing with the racetrack, with knowing where you're going? Yes, if you lose your concentration and did it a few times, you don't quite know which direction you're going in until you see one of those arrows again. So you properly got to concentrate as you're playing this. I just think it's great. I really, really do. I think this is just such a fun game to play. I wouldn't put it as some of the best racing games on the Spectrum. And please look out, because I do have, shameless plug here on my own video, I do have a top 10 racing games video coming out for the Spectrum soon. This game would be close, but I don't think would quite make the mark. But a great game nonetheless. And I highly recommend, if you can, find yourself a copy of this, you download it, play it, and just have some fun. It's got some good music. It's got a good atmosphere. I love that you can select like 4 different cars as well. It is such a shame that the F-Zero franchise died, but I love that somebody made a port on the Spectrum. Anyway, enough of me waffling for today. I will catch you all again next time. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.